In this HostGator versus SiteGround comparison, we will be comparing both these hosting solutions to decide which one is better. HostGator and SiteGround are quite popular when it comes to choosing a web host, but both are quite different. We will be comparing features, performance, pricing and more so that you can choose the better one for your blog or website. HostGator guarantees 99.9% uptime, which makes it a reliable host. On the other hand, SiteGround guarantees 99.99% uptime and delivers it quite easily. As SiteGround is quite expensive than HostGator, it offers better server uptime and performance. When it comes to website speed, Google recommends that a website should load within 3 seconds. This enhances the viewing experience of your visitors. Both SiteGround and HostGator offer good speed, but SiteGround is a bit faster than HostGator. Next up is the customer support. You need to have a hosting solution offering good customer support. Both HostGator and SiteGround offer phone chat and email support. SiteGround offers better customer support, and due to this, it has hiked its prices. Improved and priority support is the reason behind SiteGround's higher renewal pricing. However, HostGator's customer support is good enough to solve your problems. If you are looking for a host with good customer support at cheaper pricing, we suggest you to go with HostGator as it costs less and offers better support and performance than HostGator. Backups, SSL and security features. While HostGator's automatic backup service runs once a week, customers are advised to take their own backups. You get a free SSL on all of HostGator's shared hosting plans. All plans also come with other security features too. SiteGround follows a security-first mindset, which is definitely impressive. They provide free SSL certificate for your sites to load securely. SiteGround also offers free daily backups in all the plans, including the entry-level plan. Now we will have a look at the pricing and plans of both these hosts. You can check the latest discounts on HostGator and SiteGround by following the links given in the description. First, we will check the shared hosting plans of HostGator. HostGator costs $2.75 a month to host a single website. You also get free SSL and a domain name of your choice. All these plans include unmetered bandwidth and disk space. Also, a 45-day money-back guarantee is provided with all of these plans so that you can try them risk-free. The higher plans offer unlimited websites to be hosted. SiteGround, on the other hand, costs $4.99 a month to host a single website. This plan offers 10 GB of storage with 10,000 monthly visits supported. However, the drawback is that you don't get a free domain name in any of the plans. The higher level plans, that is Grow Big and Go Geek, come with more resources to improve performance, but they are too costly and renewal prices are also too high. Thus, SiteGround costs a lot for you to get started. HostGator is cheap and good for you to get started. However, for better performance at a cheaper cost, the undeniable king is HostGator. It offers free domain name and additional features at low pricing. HostGator and SiteGround also offer WordPress hosting plans. These solutions are better equipped when it comes to choosing WordPress for your website. These plans are similarly priced as the shared hosting plans. In the end, both HostGator and SiteGround are great solutions for you to get started. If you have the budget and can afford SiteGround's renewal pricing, then go with it as it offers good features. But we recommend HostGator over both SiteGround and HostGator as it offers better performance at cheaper cost. Also, for best deals, check out the links given in the description. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about new videos on web hosting discounts and deals. Please let us know who is your winner in the comments section below.